look what I just got in the mail from DrapeFit. I'm about to open this box up and see. I'm so excited. Okay. All right, let's see what is in here. Ooh, I love this packaging. That is so pretty. It makes such a difference. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh, okay, first thing, ooh, is this really pretty shirt. A nice turtleneck, which I love, very classy, elegant. Got some gold detailing. Very excited to wear this. It's getting colder, luckily, so I finally can. Okay, let's see. Ooh, leggings. I wear leggings every single day, so this is perfect. But they actually look like jeans, so I can dress them up, dress them down, whatever I need to do. But yeah, I really like these. Extra comfortable. Okay, let's see. There's so many things in here. I love getting this box every month. Okay, and this I'm really excited to wear during the holidays because it's red, very festive, very fitted, beautiful with like a nice necklace right there. So excited with some maybe dark wash jeans also. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, this color is beautiful. Name brand dress. So this is what I'm gonna wear probably Christmas dinner. It's so flowy, pretty. It has a nice tie with some heels maybe. This is gonna be so cute. I can't wait. Okay, not done yet. We have, ooh, some more leggings. So after, you know, you've eaten a lot of Christmas dinner, Christmas turkey, I can go to the gym and be excited to actually work out with my active set. Let's see. Oh, got a top with it. So we've got the nice orange with the gray leggings. Can't wait to wear this. It'll motivate me at least a little bit to go to the gym, so that's awesome. Okay, and that is it. I can't wait to wear everything in this box. I am so excited. Thank you, DrapeFit.